Hello, welcome. Well, you're going to have to forgive me. As you can see, I'm a little bit nervous and very, very excited because right now we are counting down the seconds to what I hope will be a fantastic couple of weeks of training for you. Now, we do this every year in the lead up to the opening for enrolments for the Ultimate Guide to Renovation course. However, this year is different. This year is going to be huge. There is going to be like a festival of renovation. There's going to be an absolute ton of free training and activities coming your way right up to the 22nd of November. We have everything set up, as you can see behind me. We are ready to roll, and this is going to be really great. Together, we are going to go deep on renovating for profit. We are going to show you how to start with a rundown property and renovate it for a guaranteed profit. All the steps you need to know. We'll be showing you only real examples of renovation after renovation. There'll be lots of nitty-gritty details. You will see exactly how to do it yourself. There'll be lots of before and after pictures too, because I know everyone loves those. Everything that you need to see exactly how this is done. So stand by, welcome, and I think you are going to love this, especially because it's all free.